Hello, food lovers, you are welcome to our wonderful channel. Now we will be sharing an intriguing, simple and easy way of making burritos at home in the comfort of your kitchen. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Creating homemade burritos is a delightful culinary adventure that allows you to customize flavors, fillings, and toppings to your heart's content. Whether you prefer classic bean and cheese burritos, spicy chicken burritos, or vegetarian options packed with flavorful vegetables, mastering the art of burrito making opens the door to endless possibilities for satisfying meals. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through every step of the process, from preparing the perfect tortillas to assembling and wrapping your burritos with finesse. By following these detailed instructions and tips, you'll be well equipped to make delicious burritos that will impress your friends, family and everyone. List of contents to be shared. 1. Introduction to burritos. 2. Essential ingredients for making burritos. 3. Preparing homemade tortillas. 4. Cooking protein fillings. 5. Preparing vegetable fillings. 6. Assembling and wrapping burritos. 7. Sauces, salsas, and toppings. 8. Serving and presentation. 9. Storing and freezing burritos. 10. Troubleshooting common issues. 11. Burrito recipes. 12. Conclusion and final thoughts. Introduction to burritos. Burritos are a beloved Mexican dish consisting of a flour tortilla wrapped around a filling of meat, beans, cheese, and other ingredients. Originating in northern Mexico, burritos have become a popular comfort food enjoyed around the world for their portability and versatility. From breakfast burritos filled with eggs and bacon to hearty vegetarian burritos loaded with beans and vegetables, there's a burrito style for every taste preference. Essential ingredients for making burritos. To make burritos at home, you'll need the following essential ingredients. 1. Flour tortillas. Soft and pliable flour tortillas are the foundation of any burrito. 1. Choose large, high-quality tortillas for the best results. 2. Protein filling. Common protein fillings include grilled chicken, steak, ground beef, pork, or tofu. 2. Season the protein with spices and seasonings for added flavor. 3. Bean filling. Beans such as black beans, pinto beans, or refried beans add texture and protein to burritos. 3. Cook the beans with onions, garlic, and spices for extra flavor. 4. Cheese. Shredded cheese such as cheddar, Monterey Jack, or Mexican blend adds richness and creaminess to burritos. 5. Vegetable fillings. Fresh or cooked vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, corn, and avocado add color, flavor, and nutrition to burritos. 6. Rice. Cooked rice adds bulk and texture to burritos. 6. Choose long-grain white rice, brown rice, or Mexican rice for added flavor. 7. Sauces and condiments. Salsas, guacamole, sour cream, and hot sauce add moisture and flavor to burritos. 7. Customize the heat level and flavor profile to your taste preferences. 8. Fresh herbs and toppings. Garnish burritos with fresh cilantro, chopped green onions, diced tomatoes, or sliced jalapenos for added freshness and flavor. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Preparing homemade tortillas. While store-bought tortillas are convenient, making homemade tortillas adds a special touch to your burritos. Here's how to make homemade flour tortillas. Ingredients. 1. 2 cups all-purpose flour. 2. 1 teaspoon salt. 3. 3/4 cup warm water. 4. 3 tablespoons vegetable oil. Instructions. 1. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together flour and salt. 2. Gradually add warm water and vegetable oil to the flour mixture, stirring until a soft dough forms. 3. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and knead until smooth and elastic, about 5 minutes. 4. Divide the dough into 8 equal portions and shape each portion into a ball. 5. Roll out each dough ball into a thin circle, about 8 inches in diameter, using a rolling pin. 6. Heat a dry skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. 6. Cook the tortillas for about 1 minute on each side, or until lightly golden and puffed. 7. Keep the cooked tortillas warm in a clean kitchen towel while cooking the remaining tortillas. Cooking protein fillings. Cooking protein fillings for burritos adds flavor and texture to the dish. Here's how to prepare common protein fillings. 1. Grilled chicken. Season boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs with a mixture of chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. 1. Grill the chicken until cooked through, then slice or shred. 2. Steak. Marinate flank steak or skirt steak in a mixture of lime juice, soy sauce, garlic, and spices. 2. Grill or pan-sear the steak until cooked to your desired doneness, then slice thinly against the grain. 3. Ground beef. Brown ground beef with diced onions, garlic, and taco seasoning until cooked through and crumbled. 4. Pork. Slow cook pork shoulder or pork butt in a flavorful sauce or marinade until tender and easily shredded with a fork. 5. Tofu. Marinate firm tofu in a mixture of soy sauce, lime juice, and spices. 5. Pan fry or bake the tofu until golden and crispy, then dice or crumble. Preparing vegetable fillings. Vegetable fillings add freshness and flavor to burritos. Here are some ideas for preparing vegetable fillings. 1. Bell peppers and onions. Sauté sliced bell peppers and onions in a skillet with olive oil until tender and caramelized. 2. Corn and black bean salsa. Mix cooked corn kernels, black beans, diced tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, lime juice, and salt to taste. 3. Avocado. Slice ripe avocados and season with lime juice, salt, and pepper. 4. Roasted vegetables. Toss diced vegetables such as zucchini, squash, eggplant, and mushrooms with olive oil, garlic, and herbs. 4. Roast in the oven until golden and tender. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Assembling and wrapping burritos. Assembling and wrapping burritos requires a bit of finesse to ensure that the fillings are evenly distributed and the burrito holds together. Here's how to assemble and wrap burritos. 1. Lay a tortilla on a clean work surface and spoon a portion of the protein filling onto the center of the tortilla. 2. Add a layer of bean filling, rice, cheese, and vegetable fillings on top of the protein filling. 3. Drizzle with sauces or condiments of your choice, such as salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. 4. Fold the bottom edge of the tortilla up over the filling, then fold in the sides, and roll tightly to enclose the filling. 5. Place the burrito seam side down on a plate or serving platter. 5. Repeat with the remaining tortillas and filling ingredients. Sauces, salsas, and toppings. Sauces, salsas, and toppings add flavor and moisture to burritos. Here are some ideas for sauces, salsas, and toppings to serve with burritos. 1. Salsa verde. A tangy and spicy salsa made with tomatillos, green chilies, cilantro, lime juice, and garlic. 2. Pico de gallo. A fresh salsa made with diced tomatoes, onions, jalapenos, cilantro, lime juice, and salt. 3. Guacamole. A creamy and flavorful dip made with ripe avocados, lime juice, garlic, cilantro, and salt. 4. Sour cream. A tangy and creamy condiment that adds richness to burritos. 5. Hot sauce. A spicy condiment made with chili peppers, vinegar, and spices. 5. Choose your favorite variety, such as chipotle, habanero, or jalapeno. Serving and presentation. To serve burritos, place them on a serving platter or individual plates. Garnish with fresh cilantro, sliced jalapenos, or lime wedges for added flavor and presentation. Serve burritos with additional sauces, salsas, and toppings on the side for dipping or drizzling. Storing and freezing burritos. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3-4 days. To freeze burritos, Wrap them individually in plastic wrap or aluminum foil and place them in a freezer-safe bag or container. Frozen burritos will keep for up to 2-3 months. To reheat frozen burritos, unwrap them and microwave on high for 2-3 minutes, or until heated through. Alternatively, you can reheat frozen burritos in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for 20-25 minutes, or until heated through. Troubleshooting common issues. Even the most experienced cooks may encounter challenges when making burritos. Here are some common issues and how to fix them. 1. Tortilla tearing. If the tortilla tears or breaks when wrapping the burrito, it may be due to overfilling or using a tortilla that is too small. 1. Use a light hand when adding fillings and choose large, high-quality tortillas. 2. Filling spilling out. If the filling spills out of the burrito when wrapping, it may be due to overfilling or improper folding technique. 2. Use less filling and fold the burrito tightly to enclose the filling. 3. Dry burrito. If the burrito is dry, it may be due to insufficient sauce or condiments. 3. Add more salsa, guacamole, or sour cream to moisten the filling. Burrito recipes. Here are some delicious burrito recipes to try. 1. Classic bean and cheese burritos. 2. Spicy chicken burritos with salsa verde. 3. Beef and bean burritos with pico de gallo. 4. Vegetarian burritos with roasted vegetables and guacamole. 5. Breakfast burritos with scrambled eggs, bacon, and potatoes. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. Conclusion and final thoughts. Making burritos at home is a fun and rewarding culinary experience that allows you to experiment with different flavors, fillings, and toppings. Whether you prefer classic bean and cheese burritos, spicy chicken burritos, or vegetarian options packed with flavorful vegetables, mastering the art of burrito making opens the door to endless possibilities for satisfying meals. By following the steps outlined in this comprehensive guide and experimenting with different techniques and ingredients, you'll be well equipped to make delicious burritos that will impress your friends, family, and everyone. So roll up your sleeves, gather your ingredients, and get ready to enjoy the delicious flavors of homemade burritos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. If you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free and does not cost money. Have you subscribed now? Okay, I will wait for you to subscribe now. Thank you. Do not forget to like the video, share the video, comment down below, watch recommended or suggested videos on your screen, tap or click notification bell, so that you would be notified each time we upload new videos. Please subscribe to our channel and share the video, if you have not. We say a big thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Happy cooking!